BOLGA Girls Senior High School. Let's meet the contestants. MFANTSIPIM School. MFANTSIPIM School is represented by where from? MFANTSIPIM School is represented by
James, final year.
David Ansabel, final year.
You're welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, madam.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Hey, you have your game faces on. You won't even smile. Hey! Anyway, there are so many good things about you here. You won in 2014. You were semi-finalist in 2016, 2017, but we don't want to talk about that. Let's talk about World Cup. Who is winning the World Cup this year? I got a smile. I got a smile. Okay, so World Cup, who's winning?
Nigeria.
Nigeria. Wow. Okay. Okay, let's come back to the contest. Let's come back to the contest. What shall we expect from you?
We expect God's will to be done. We expect God's will to be done.
God's will to be done. Yes. Thank you very much, and best wishes to you.
Oh, thank
you. NANDOM Senior High School. NANDOM Senior High School is represented by
Asiak Nathaniel.
Bono Amos.
All right, you are very welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you?
Yeah, doing well.
You're doing well. Yes. You've also decided not to smile. Okay, tell us about your journey here. How did you get to the 1A stage?
Actually, our last contest, we lost to Bishop Herman College, but it was a close contest, and we made it as one of the high-scoring losing schools. So that's why we are here.
All right. And what are we expecting from you?
The best.
The best?
Yes.
The best. Should I ask you about World Cup?
Okay.
Predictions, who's winning?
Argentina.
Okay. Best wishes.
Thank you, ma'am.
BOLGA Girls Senior High School. BOLGA Girls Senior High School is represented by
Atampugbi Ridina Abasasuna, final year.
Mansur Hadija, final year.
You are welcome, ladies.
Thank
How
you.
are you feeling?
Normal.
Normal? Yes. Hey, wow. I would be so excited to be here. You are feeling normal?
Yes.
Okay, tell me about your journey here. How did you get here?
We met Sokode Senior High School, then Bole Senior High School, all the preliminaries,
yes.
And then we were able to win with 17 points, but we hope to do better here.
What? Ladies.
Yes, please.
All right.
Yes, please. But this will be a different story
I
altogether.
hope so. That's the spirit. Do you follow the World Cup?
Yes.
Who's winning?
Bogatanga girls.
You're in the World Cup too.
No, you said
No.
All right. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Viewers, we've met the contestants. In addition to National Science and Math quiz, some of them are playing in the World Cup. Anyway, before I sit down, I would like to acknowledge that the National Science and Math quiz is sponsored by the Ghana Education Service through the Conference of Heads of Assisted Secondary Schools. We also have support from GCB Bank, Accra College of Medicine, Medifem Multi-Specialist Hospital and Fertility Center, Lancaster University, Ghana, Academic City College, West African Center for Cell Biology of Infectious Pathogens, WACBIB, Awake Purified Drinking Water, GTP, and Hoti Makeup. The mentorship sessions are sponsored by Bond Savings and Loans and RMG Ghana, and SciTech Fair 2018 was sponsored by GOIL, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, and Talo Ghana Limited. Our media sponsors are City FM and Joy News. We are proudly produced by Prime Time. My name is Elsie Efa Kaufman. I'm your quiz mistress. I'll need to pick up. Contestants, the contest comes to you in 5 rounds, as usual. The first round is the round for fundamental concepts. Simple, direct questions that require simple, direct answers from you. If you answer your major question correctly, 3 points. If the question is incorrectly answered, it becomes available to the 2 other schools. A school may ring and attempt an answer. If it's right, a bonus point. If the answer is wrong, it fetches a penalty point. For questions that require calculations, you have 30 seconds to present an answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to present your answer. All of the questions are to be attempted once only. Best wishes to all 3 schools. I'm going to start with you, NANDOM Senior High School, but before then, I have a preamble to all schools. Preamble. There are 3 main types of ecological pyramids. Mention 1 each. So I'm starting with you, NANDOM, first choice. Yes, Asiak.
Ecological pyramid of numbers.
All right.
Image.
MFANTSIPIM, answer bell.
Ecological pyramid of energy.
You're right. BOLGA Tanga girls, which are Hadija?
Ecological pyramid of mass.
I'll give you 1. You see that I'm unhappy doing that, but I have to do it. It's the pyramid of biomass. Biomass. All right. Next set, 30 seconds. NANDOM. Find the magnitude of the gravitational field produced by a sphere of radius 5.0 meters and mass 4.0 times 10 raised to the power 6 kilogram at a distance of 10.0 meters from the center of the sphere. For bonus, the right answer is 2.7 times 10 to the power negative 6 meters per second squared. All right. Next. MFANTSIPIM. Find the magnitude of the gravitational field produced by a particle of mass 8.0 times 10 raised to the power 6 kilogram at a distance of 5.0 meters. Answer bell. Answer bell, go ahead.
Your answer will be 21.44 times 10 to the power negative 6 meter per second squared.
I'm going to give you partial. Should I? I'll give you partial credit. I'll give you 1. And I will explain after we have talked to BOLGA girls. All right. BOLGA girls. Find the mass of a particle which produces a gravitational field of magnitude 6.7 times 10 to the negative 6 Newton per kilogram at a distance of 2.0 meters from the center of the sphere. Yes, Hadija.
13.4 times 10 raised to the power negative 6 kilograms.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you? Asiak?
4 times 10 to the power 5 kilogram.
You are right. Well done. Well done. Now, in MFANTSIPIM school, the reason why I had to give you partial credit, only 1, is because the right answer is actually 2.1 times 10 to the power negative 5 meter per second squared. You gave me 21.44 times 10 to the negative 6. First of all, do you know what's wrong? Why is that answer a problem? You don't want to tell me. First of all, too many significant figures. You don't have enough information to give me 4 significant figures. You don't. And then the next thing is that if you are going to use scientific notation, I expect you to do it properly. 2.1, not 21 times, okay? So that goes to all of you and other contestants out there. From now on, I'll be expecting proper scientific notation and proper levels of significant figures unless otherwise stated. Next set, 30 seconds, and I have a preamble to all schools. Find the sum of the first n terms of the given series for the given value of n. Please, did you get your preamble? Again. Find the sum of the first n terms of the given series for the given value of n. I hope you got it this time. All right, so now, NANDOM, your series. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus on and on and on for n equals 20. Yes, Asiak.
400.
You're right. With the same preamble in MFANTSIPIM, your series, 15 plus 10 plus 5 plus 0 minus 5 minus 10 minus on and on and on for n equals 20. Yes, so who's up here?
Negative 650.
You're right. BOLGA Tanga girls, your series, 6 plus 6.5 plus 7 plus 7.5 plus 8 plus on and on for n equals 21. Yes, Dana.
340.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Yes, which of you also up here?
231.
You're right. NANDOM. Of the three elements, beryllium, boron, and carbon, state which element has the highest and which one has the lowest first ionization energy. Yes, Asiak.
The highest is beryllium and the lowest is carbon.
That's incorrect. Yes, which of you also appear?
The highest is carbon and the lowest is boron.
You are right. Your major question. Of the three elements, oxygen, fluorine, and neon, give the element that has the highest and the one that has the lowest first ionization energy. Yes, also up here.
The highest is neon and the lowest is oxygen.
You are right. BOLGA Tanga. For the elements boron and aluminium, which one has the lower first ionization energy and why? Yes, Hadija.
Which one has the what? Aluminium has the highest first ionization energy. Because the p orbitals is taken.
That's incorrect for bonus. Yes, which of you? Asiak.
Boron has the highest first ionization energy, and aluminium has the lowest. And this is because going down the group, ionization energy decreases because more shells are added, hence the effective nuclear charge reduces, and then less energy is required to remove an electron from the outermost shell.
Okay. But Nandom, it's in your interest to focus on the question. No, next time, you gave me unnecessary information. As for the lowest, then you start from the highest, and then which one is the lowest? I only need you to answer the question I'm asking you. All right. Next set, 10 seconds. I'm going to give you, so this is the preamble, I'm going to give you some terms in biology. Please explain the terms. That's the preamble. All right, so now, Nandom, spherical symmetry. Yes, Asiak.
Spherical symmetry, it's a term in which a body can be divided into several parts with more than one plane.
I can't accept that for a bonus. The right answer: organisms which can be cut directly through the center in any direction without distinguishable differences between the segments. All right. MFANTSIPIM, your term, body plan. Yes, Ansabel.
The body plan of an organism refers to the arrangement of the body parts of the organism as well as its distinct morphological features. That is, the position of certain parts of its body as relative parts of the organism's body
One. The right answer is a group of morphological characteristics. That's the part you had right. Morphological characteristics which can identify an organism as belonging to a particular taxonomic group, such as a phylum. So you had to continue to say some more. All right. Now, BOLGA, radial symmetry. Yes, Dana.
Radial symmetry is a type of body division in which, or body symmetry, in which a body can be divided into two or more planes, either than one, to form mirror images.
I'm not accepting, so. Yes, go ahead.
Radial symmetry is a type of symmetry in which an organism can be divided into two equal halves along more than one vertical plane, such that the two equal halves are mirror images of each other and indistinguishable.
Okay. The key words, several planes of division to produce roughly identical pieces. All right, next 30 seconds. Nandom. A uniform 2.0 meter string whose mass per unit length is 5.0 times 10 to the power negative 3 kilogram per meter is fixed at both ends and stretched with a tension of 50 newtons. Find the speed of transverse waves on the string. Yes, Asiak.
100 meters per second.
You're right. The mass per unit length of a 2.0 meter long stretch string fixed at both ends is 2.5 times 10 to the power negative 2 kilogram per meter. Find the speed of transverse waves on the string when the tension in it is 40 newtons. Yes, so what's up here?
0.04 meters per second.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Asiak.
4 meters per second.
Oh. You people are missing your decimal point. It's 40 meters per second. Bolgatanga girls. The mass per unit length of a 2.0 meter long stretch string fixed at both ends is 2.5 times 10 to the power negative 2 kilogram per meter. Find the tension at which the speed of transverse waves on the string is 80 meters per second. Yes, Hadija?
2 Newton.
That's incorrect. Yes, so who's up here? Or it's answer bell?
It's 160 newtons.
You're right. "30 seconds. Preamble to all schools." Preamble. Find the equation of the locus of the point with coordinates x, y. So the point is P with coordinates x, y, which is equidistant from the points A and B given. Please, did you get your preamble? Again? Okay. So I'll give you 2 points, A and B. Find the equation of the locus of the point P with coordinates x, y, which is equidistant from the points A and B given. I hope you got it this time. Okay, so now your points, NANDOM. A has coordinates 1, 2, and B has coordinates 2, 1. Asiak.
We have x squared plus y squared minus 3x minus 3y plus 6 equals 0.
Wow, no. Yes, answer bell.
Y is equal to x.
That's it. Your major question with the same preamble. Your point A has coordinates 0, negative 2, and B has coordinates 2, 0. Yes, answer bell.
Yeah, that was it. Y is equal to negative x.
You're right.
Okay.
Bolgatanga with the same preamble. Your point A has coordinates 1, 1, and B has coordinates 2, 2. Yes, Dana?
Y is equal to X.
That's incorrect. For a bonus. Which of you? Answer Bell.
You have y is equal to negative x plus 3.
Yes. Last set of questions for the round. 30 seconds. NANDOM. Calculate the pH of a 100 centimeter cubed. Let me start again. Calculate the pH of 100 centimeter cubed of 0.10 mole per decimeter cube solution of a weak acid of pKa 5.80. Asiak.
3.4.
You're right. Calculate the pH of 50 centimeter cubed solution of 0.10 mole per decimeter cube solution of a weak base of pKb 6.0. Yes, also up here.
The pH is 10.5.
You're right. Last question. 50 centimeter cubed of 0.50 mole per decimeter cubed H2SO4 solution are diluted to 500 centimeter cubed. What is the pH of the diluted solution? Yes, Hadija.
2.
That's incorrect for a bonus. Which of you answer Bell?
This one. The new concentration is 0.1 mole per dm cube, and the pH is 1.
Yes. But I'm warning you, if I ask you for pH, I'm not interested in concentration. Focus on the question I'm asking you. So the pH is 1. That's the end of the first round. You people want to give me a lot of... At the end of the first round, BOLGA Girls Senior High School has 1 point. NANDOM Senior High School has 13 points. MFANTSIPIM School has 24 points. Four more rounds to go. There's plenty of time to redeem yourselves. But before we start the second round, I'd like to alert you that in the second round, don't give me all kinds of answers expecting me to sift through them and pick the right ones. Answer the question before you. That's good advice for all of you. All right, so round 2. This round is also known as the speed race. In this round, the questions are directed to all 3 schools simultaneously. For an opportunity to answer a question, you need to ring for it. May I hear your bell in MFANTSIPIM School? Thank you. Yours, NANDOM. Thank you. And yours, BOLGA. Thank you. If you ring and answer correctly on the first attempt, 3 points. On the second attempt, 2 points. On the third attempt, 1 point. If you attempt to answer and you are unsuccessful, you lose a precious point. For questions which require calculations, you have a maximum of 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations involved, you have a maximum of 10 seconds. Best wishes to all 3 schools. Okay, so for this first set of questions, you have 30 seconds for each. First question. Determine the shortest wavelength of X-rays produced from an X-ray tube with a potential difference of 22 kilovolts between anode and cathode. Which of you? Answer bell.
The shortest possible wavelength would be 35.2 micrometers.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 56 picometers. Next one. A tanker discharges an incompressible fluid fuel of density 9.0 times 10 raised to the power 2 kilogram per meter cubed through a horizontal pipe of cross-sectional area 0.02 meters squared. Determine the mass flow rate of the fuel when its speed in the pipe is 4.0 meters per second. Which of you? Answer bell.
Okay, so the answer to the question would be 0.72 times 10 to the power 2 kilogram per second, which is the same as 72 kilogram per second.
Okay, I'm going to give it to you, but with a strong warning. A very strong warning. The reason being, I told you to be direct. I told you to be direct. Give me one answer, and then you start telling me all sorts of things, and then you are not even following my instructions for... Okay. 72 kilogram per second. Next one. When a certain transverse wave propagates in the x direction in a medium, the displacement of particles at position x in meters and time t in seconds occurs parallel to the y direction and is given by y as a function of xt is equal to 0.02 meters multiplied by cosine of the expression 30 pi t minus 14x. What is the frequency of the wave? One answer.
15 hertz.
15 hertz. Next set, 10 seconds each. What is blood urea nitrogen? It's the level of nitrogen from protein breakdown found in the blood. Next, what part of the body of mammals is distal to the knee? A. Okay, distal, away from the knee. So what is there? Distal to the knee, what's there? For no points. So you can find the leg there, right? The leg is made up of the shin and the calf, and then the foot is also there. All right. Name one, only one, of the two main types of anaerobic respiration. Answer, Bell.
Lactic acid fermentation.
All right. The other one is alcoholic fermentation. And if you had said both, you would have been in trouble with me. Next set. Now, this first question in this next set, 30 seconds. Give the balanced equation for the combustion of 2-methyl heptane in excess air. Yes. Answer, Bell.
The answer is C8H18 plus 25 over 2O2 going into 8CO2 plus 9H2O.
Well done. Next one, 30 seconds. When lead-2 trioxonitrate 5 is heated, lead-2 oxide, nitrogen-4 oxide, and oxygen gas are formed. Give a balanced equation for this reaction. Answer, Bell.
It will be 2PB open brackets NO3 close bracket subscript 2 going into 2PBO plus 4NO2 plus O2.
Yes. Ten seconds. Arsine, ASH3, unlike NH3, is not an electron pair donor. However, it becomes an electron pair donor when the 3 hydrogens are replaced with methyl groups. Why? Yes, answer, Bell.
In the ASH3, it consists of an arsenic atom with a free pi orbital, which is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms. and thus, due to the emptiness of this pi orbital, is not capable of donating electrons. But however, when the methyl groups are attached, there's an electron donating effect of the methyl group on the arsenic atom. And as such, this increases the concentration of electrons within the free pi orbital. And these electrons can be donated for it to become an electron donating species.
I'm not accepting it.
Yeah.
All right. If it had been your own question, if it were not a speed race question, you would have had some partial credit. But since it's speed race, everything must be perfect, right? Okay. So the methyl groups donate electrons. That's the part you are getting right in a very long-winded way. So they donate electrons by inductive effect. So what that will actually happen is that they will stabilize the positive charge on the arsenic atom when they donate the electron pair. Okay, so the stability, that is a very key part of it. All right. Okay, last set. 30 seconds each. First one. Solve the inequality. Absolute value of 2x plus 3 is less than 11. Which of you? Answer bell.
-7 less than x less than 4.
You're right. Next one. The sum of 3 consecutive even integers is 30, more than twice the middle number. Find the 3 integers. Yes, also up here.
We are having 28, 30, and 32.
Yes. Last question. Find the equation of the circle with center C with coordinates 1, 2, passing through the point P with coordinates -2, 6. Yes, also up here.
We are having x minus 1 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared is equal to 25.
You are right. Well done. Well done. That's the end of the second round.
I can conveniently pay for my utility bills, my son's Cartoon Network on DSTV, and renew my internet services package. I can securely send my sweet mother her monthly allowance by simply transferring funds from my bond account into hers. I can also pay the gardener through any of the mobile money platforms available. I can verify if the check to the vendor has cleared. Now let me guess my sister is here airtime so I can peacefully go back to sleep. With Bond Mobile app, you can do your banking anywhere. Download the Bond mobile app on Apple Play Store or Google Play Store today. Bond, your success, our passion.
There's always that one individual so selfless and caring. The world still has caring people. Getting unexpected help is a joy for us. That's why at Prudential Life, we've introduced Ultimate, the no-lapse guarantee on your Premier and Classic farewell plans. The biggest challenge for most clients having a funeral policy is the fact that when they are unable to pay premiums due to financial challenges, the policies elapse and the full benefit falls off. We have introduced the no-lapse guarantee on our funeral plans. This ensures that you don't lose your full benefit during challenging financial moments. Prudential, always listening, always understanding.
Augustus. Pardon?
When cleaning your vehicle by valeting, steaming, waxing, or polishing, make sure the engine is also sound. Servicing your vehicle with Gold synthetic oil and any quality Gold oil massages the engine, removes deposit, protects it from wear and tear for longer lasting performance, and makes your vehicle feel pampered. Made for diesel and super engines. Remember, after every 15,000 kilometers of enjoying your ride, service your engine with Gold synthetic oil.
Well, you're a champion. That's why I, Azuma Nelson, 3 times world boxing champion and a patriot, always choose Goal.
Ashene Pankasa. Goel, good energy.
Rather unbalanced round 2, the scores are BOLGA Girls Senior High School, 1 point. NANDOM Senior High School, 13 points. MFANTSIPIM School, 46 points. Three more rounds to go. Round 3 has the problem of the day. The problem of the day is a single question to all 3 schools. From the time I ask you to begin, you have 3 minutes in which to present your answer. The problem of the day is worth 10 points. Let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. Charles Darwin gave the theory of natural selection. The theory is based on 5 important observations. Please state these observations. That's your problem of the day. You may begin. Contestants, please pick up your notepads and present your answers on the board as you have them here.